Hi all, welcome to another cable comparison video. In the previous videos that I had made on cable comparisons, those were audio comparisons, those were oral comparisons. But I promise you this video is going to be different because we're going to do a visual comparison. Now cables, as you know, are extremely important. Great cables allow the complete spectrum and frequency range and bandwidth to really flow through. Now I am a boutique guitar pickup maker, and I go through great lengths to procure very high quality material and also spend a considerable amount of time designing certain parts for the pickups and also winding them. I pay so much attention to winding the pickups in the right way to get the desired results. And then it really hurts me when I see that all that work is being dumbed down through a cable that's not really allowing the pickup to really blossom and to shine and to really show its potential. So I've always paid special attention to the cables that I use. So today I'm going to compare the Analysis Plus yellow oval cable with the Rotosound cable. The Rotosound cable that I have here is a very high quality cable. I've been using it for many years. Rotosound is an English company, it's from England, and Analysis Plus of course is from the US. So these two cables kind of similar in construction in the way they have the jackets and everything out, thick jackets out. Of course Analysis Plus is, the yellow oval is a much thicker jacketed cable and seems to be a little more solidly built, but nevertheless this is again a premium cable. It's not your run-of-the-mill cable that you get off the shelf. So the way we are going to compare is I have a software in the system which is going to output, or rather capture, the resonant frequency of the pickup. And the pickup that I'm going to be using today is the Mezraab VMSC2 single coil pickup. It's a vintage voice pickup. It's not a very high output pickup, but it's wound for and built for clarity. So I'm going to be running a test signal from the software which comes out of the audio interface. I'm going to and then I'm going to run it through this little device that I made. It's an exciter coil. The coil is going to be coupled with the pickup, and the output of the test signal is going to be connected to the cable, which then is going to be routed back into the audio interface. So basically the software is going to capture the resonant frequency of this pickup. And what it basically means is the bandwidth of frequencies which have the highest amplitude or the highest energy that the pickup can output. So without further ado, let's get to it. Yep, so here we are. So as you guys saw in the test comparison, there was a huge difference. The entire bandwidth of resonant frequencies just shifted with the Analysis Plus cable, and basically what it shows is those frequencies that were not really being output through the cable, through the other cable, are now kind of being output, and it's sort of opened up the blockage kind of a thing, and the pickup is going to be more open, more brighter, more frequencies are going to be pouring out, and it's also going to be louder. So basically the potential of the pickup, the way it was built and the way it was wound, is now shining through. So this is the true importance of cables. All that time, effort, money that you put into getting the right gear and getting your guitar or your bass or any other instrument the way you want it to be, and then only to be dumbed down by a cable that is not really capable. So hope this test helps from a visual perspective as well, to see the difference between a good cable and a really great cable. So until next time, signing off.